So the other time I was explaining this. I was trying to explain the uh, the positioning in CSS. Right? We have fixed, we have absolute, we have relative. Hmm? So as I said I'm going to explain the absolute and relative because most people find it difficult to understand how absolute and relative works, right? So that's why I said I want to teach it today. So can you see my screen? All right. So for we are starting with relative. Hmm? For relative, the element stays in its normal place. So for example now you have a television. You have a black and white television. You know, see now black and white television now all those people they use all the days. You have black and white television. The black and white television is just there, like in one place. It's not movable. Another example is when desktop now. There's difference between desktop and laptop. Yeah, desktop is placed in one place. While laptop you can carry it around anywhere you are going to. So that's a perfect example. We are using desktop now. You put desktop in one place. If you want to use the desktop, you go there to go and use it. Now, that's for relative. Relative is the element stays in its normal position, in its normal place. um But you can actually move it slightly. You can shift it to the right, you can shift it to the left, you can shift it to the top, you can shift it to the bottom. Anywhere you want to shift it, you can actually shift the element. But you should know that it's always been in its normal place. You understand? Like it's not something that you can move like laptop. No, you cannot move it like laptop. You cannot move it around. You cannot move it to the market, to your classroom, to any place at all that you are going to. But desktop, you can actually shift it a little. Maybe you shift it to the right, shift it to the left, or maybe you want to clean the table. You have to carry it from where it is to another place. Do you understand? So that's relative. It is in normal place, but you can shift it a little. Then we also have it also becomes a reference point for absolute elements. So there's relative and there's absolute. That relative is standby, but it become a reference point for absolute elements. So when what I mean by absolute element is that all those in black and white television now, when you play your your CD, you will dey see the people where go dey move for inside the television. That's absolute. They are absolute to the main TV. So that means that you can actually move them. You can move the people. You can move your console. You can move I can move my console now. I can move it to this side. 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 But this my laptop, this my screen is in one place. So this my console now, it is absolute to my screen. Do you understand? Hello? Alright. Wait first. Wait, I'm coming. I want to test something because this sound is not coming in. Wait, I'm coming.